Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create a room in Magic Tiles 3. To create a room in Magic Tiles 3, first of all, open the Magic Tiles 3 application on your device and make sure that you're inside this homepage. Now go to the bottom side and tap on Battle Mode. Inside Battle Mode, tap on Custom Match. On the next page, tap the Create button at the top left. Now, type in the name of your room in the top where it says Name. Now set a room password in the password text box and click on Create. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your room. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Change button right next to Random Song and choose the song you want to select in the room. Click the Select button after you find one. Now your room ID will be generated at the top left. Make your friends enter this room ID and join into your room, and you will be able to start the battle. When your friends has joined in, tap on the play button at the bottom of the screen to start beginning the battle and see who can tap their way to victory. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.